Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the Eureka Airspeed vacuum. Now, quickly, I want to show you some common vacuum features that this vacuum in particular has, but then at the end of this video, I have to show you something. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice is, like with most higher end vacuums, we have the two attachments here. We have the nozzle attachment, and then we have the brush attachment, and they actually have a nice, easy place to store them right there. Next, we have the hose right here, and this just pops off like this, and it will provide suction, so you can go ahead and use this as the vacuum here, and both of the attachments will fit in there to provide unique cleaning styles. To keep the cord nice and tidy, they have these two hooks which you can go ahead and easily just wrap the cord around. Now the entire tank ejects by simply pushing the eject button and just lifting off, and then from the bottom of the tank you can go ahead and push this button, and this will allow the bottom to drop open and empty into the trash. Overall, guys, it's a very high quality vacuum, and I do have to show you a quick demo of how it works because I was absolutely shocked. Now, as you can see, we're starting with an empty tank here, and this carpet is only a few weeks old and it's been cleaned regularly. Now, I just went ahead and vacuumed up the side of the bed here, so that's only about 12 feet by 3 feet. And let's see the results. The results are absolutely astounding. And I promise you guys, my carpet is not super dirty. This vacuum just works so well. Overall, I 100% recommend this vacuum. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.